Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Now this is the special video for the standard 3rd and 4th for regarding the question answer. Now some parents and students has some confusion regarding the question answer. Why the madam leave the question answer? Right? Just only I am not leave question answer, but I selected in the workbook whatever question answer is there. In that I have to select a particular question answer and that give in the CW. Why this happen? And I also talk with the Kalpana madam also. Okay. Now we know that government declared the भार वगरनु भणतर, राइट. गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा डिक्लेयर किया है कि भार वगरनु भणतर, दैट मीन्स वी डोंट इम्पोज द बर्डन ऑन द माइंड ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. So in our ES chapter, look at parents and students. Look at here, we have 12 chapters, right? In 12 chapters, given choose the correct word. We think what questions and choose correct. Both are the 10, I think so, in each and every chapter, right? So 12 and 10 is makes the 120. Choose the correct one. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Then fill in the blanks around 8. So 12 8s are 96. So 96 is the fill ups, right? Then tick right or wrong. It is also around 8. So it is also 96, right? Okay. Now match. It is also around 13 or 14 or 12, right? Okay. Now answer in one word. It is around 40 or 50, right? Then classify. Then differences and question answer, right? All are the our pattern in the workbook of the 3rd and 4th standard, right? And the question is hardly in all chapter around the 20, right? Short and big question answer around 20. You see parents, 20 question answer multiplied by 12 chapters, so it's make the 240 question answers, right? So for 240 question answers, it is the very big burden on the mind of the students. We have seen not only the clever students, but we have to see the middle students and the weak students also. Weak students hardly able to learn this all. They can't learn the question answer. So for that to reduce the burden of the students, we have selected only some question answer. And whatever question answer I give you, that and that only we ask in the question paper. So parents don't afraid about that कि मैडम ने लिखाया नहीं और पूछ लिया तो एग्जाम में नहीं. जो मैं लिखा रही हूँ क्वेश्चन आंसर में वो ही पूछूंगी, क्योंकि आप सोचो इतना सारा सिलेबस में है एक ही सब्जेक्ट का, तो इतना लर्न करने में बच्चों को इतना हेडेक हो जाएगा. और एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, 4 5 दूसरे भी सब्जेक्ट है, उनका भी लर्न करना है. एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द सिलेबस लास्ट ईयर ऑफ द 10th and 12th अप टू 30% or 20%, right? Everyone knows about that. So these are the very small childs, these are the very small children. So why we give more burden to the students? And the students are very small. हमारा क्या मेन एम है कि एजुकेशन जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स को उसके नजदीक लेके आए, नॉट अवे टू द एजुकेशन. और इतना सारा करने जाएंगे, यस नहीं पढ़ना है, इतने लंबे लंबे क्वेश्चन आंसर कौन करेगा, है ना? उनके दिमाग में ऐसा फील हो जाता है. सो आई टॉक विद द कल्पना मैडम ऑल्सो एंड वी हैव डिसाइडेड आई गिव द सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन टू द स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ, मुझे पता है कि शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर भी बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन for the convenience of the students and keep the mindset regarding the students, so I not able to write. If you have to want to write, then I okay, right? But thinking about the students, I have selected the few question answer. Okay, bye. Hello student, how are you? Fine. Okay, now open your ESCW and workbook. Now today we see the question answer. Okay, you have to write with the good writing. Okay students, now first number, from when does a male elephant stay with the herd? मेल एलिफेंट हर्ड के साथ कितने टाइम तक रहता है? राइट, देन आंसर इज अ मेल एलिफेंट स्टेज विद द हर्ड अप टू 14 to 15 इयर्स एज. जो मेल एलिफेंट है वो हर्ड के अंदर जब तक उसकी एज 14 to 15 इयर्स ओल्ड हो जाती है तब तक ही वो रहता है. वो हमने लेसन में जब डिस्कस किया तब देखा था. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now second number, why was Nandu afraid of going near his brother and sister? Why was the Nandu afraid to going in the water and mud? All the brothers and sisters enjoy with the water and mud, then why Nandu didn't go there? Because Nandu thought he was small, because he think I am the small one, so I cannot go there. Okay, third number, which other animals live in herds? Which animals, all the animals we have to list out which live in the herds, जो group में रहते हैं. Right, तो goat, sheep, elephant, monkey, donkey also live in herds. वो हर्ड में रहते हैं, ग्रुप में रहते हैं. फोर्थ नंबर, हु इज नंदू? नंदू इज अ बेबी एलिफेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 5 नंबर, विथ व्हाट डज एन एलिफेंट स्प्रे अ फाउंटेन वाटर? वाटर का फाउंटेन वो किससे स्प्रेड करते हैं? देन एन एलिफेंट स्प्रेज अ फाउंटेन ऑफ वाटर विथ हिज ट्रंक. किसका यूज करते हैं? ट्रंक का. ओके, नाउ 6 नंबर, हाउ मच डज एन एडल्ट एलिफेंट वेट? व्हाट इज द एडल्ट एलिफेंट वेट? एडल्ट एलिफेंट जो है उसका वेट कितना होता है? तो एन एडल्ट एलिफेंट इज अराउंड 500 किलोग्राम. उसका वेट शायद वो 5000 किलोग्राम उसका वेट होता है. 7 नंबर, हाउ मेनी kilograms of leaves and twigs can an adult elephant eat in the single day? Adult elephant, how much food they have taken in the single day? Then an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day. In one day, adult elephant takes 100 kilograms of the leaves and the twigs. Okay students, now this is your CW part, and now open the ES workbook and page number 24 and 25. Look at here, this is the activity. You have to make the elephant with the help of the sheet, right? Rectangle sheet के sheet लेके आपको elephants बनाना है. Okay students, this is the activity. Now in the 25 chapter, make a collage. आपको collage बनाना है herd of the elephant. Herd of the elephant का collage बनाना है, or you can collect the picture of the herd of the elephant and you have to paste here. Okay students, now we see the word question. 1 number, what is the loud noise of an elephant makes known as? Now what is the elephant noise we have to say, right? उसका जो elephant का sound होता है वो क्या होता है? तो what is the sound of the elephant? It is the trumpet. It is the trumpet. So we have to write here the trumpet. Second number, in what do elephants love to play? Then elephant loves to play in wet, mud and Now young one of the elephant is known as the elephant calf. काव के बेबी को हम काफ बोलेंगे और एलिफेंट के बेबी को हम एलिफेंट काफ बोलेंगे. Okay, so here calf is also given, but we have to write here elephant calf. Okay students, काफ के नीचे अकेला नहीं करना है, एलिफेंट काफ के नीचे करना है. Okay students, here your lesson is over. Bye bye.